When the sun's beating down and the sweat on your brow, fully air conditioned. When there's ice on your toes and there's frost on your nose, fully air conditioned.
G'day, Craig here. Today we're going to paint the Pulsar. So we're going to make it white. We're not going to do anything fancy. We're just going to paint it with house paint. So yeah, this is how you paint a car with house paint. Actually, I reckon it's actually going to look pretty good. So we'll just see. We'll see what happens. Anyway, we're off to Bunnings. Last time we did a car for the Shitbox Rally, we painted a Holden Commodore that was green. We painted it white. It looked okay. So yeah, we're just going to do the same thing. Oh, you get one?
Yeah, alright. One. Scotch on pads. Perfect.
One thing I've got to fix with this is keys snapped off. So we're going to need to get into the boot. So I've got to get this key out. Alright, key wasn't as hard as I thought to get out. Let's see what's in the boot. Maybe that's why she's cooked. Yeah, nice. Alright. Boot went open. Gotta try and work it out, but we can go in this way. Bit of a score with the soccer balls. Let's see how we go.
The car's eating him. What have we got here?
Me! Hello! Oh. Yeah, I just found this thing's got a boot release. Boot release. It is worn out, but anyway. Look this way. Damn it! So we've got a bit of caustic soda, Scotch on pad, and just give her a little rub. And hose it down. Yeah. Perfect paint to paint a car. Bit of house paint. Here goes nothing. Gloss. Nice. Check the cutting in skills. See how I go. We contemplated taping it up, but I think we're just gonna paintbrush it. You can see that. Oh yes, she's going on. This is how you paint a car. Beautiful. Very similar to painting a house.
What's your new paint job?
Yep, so you've got the first coat on. I'm not going to lie to you, doesn't look that amazing. But it's all one colour. So, ta-da! Definitely going to need a second coat. It's pretty rough.
Ugh. Brother, ugh. What's that? What's that, brother?
And we took the seat covers off and actually got half decent seats, except for the driver's. It's got big holes in it. Got some screws and just attached the rear bar a bit better so it doesn't have a bar delete halfway through. Back from Artcraft Signs with all the sign work done. Looks bloody awesome. Yo, she's done. At ACT Auto Works and Quinny, done a full service on the car, oil, lubes, filters, sweet. This is underneath it, and we've just got to make a bash guard. And here's the bash guard, 2mm thick steel, not bad. Should be able to skid across a few things with that. The last few minute things before we head off. Friday, so head down to Canberra to Melbourne on Friday. We'll meet our buddy group and everything else in the afternoon, and then Saturday morning we head off from there. Done a few things to the car, put a new radio in. It's also got telephone. It's cheap, it's like $100, but we had no radio before. Well, the radio was broken. Also got CV. Anyone got a copy? Yeah, no, it does work. Anyway, I've also put some light LEDs all the way across the front window there, just to help us see. And a driving light, I'll show you. So I got driving light at the front there. Just chopped out a bit of the grille or a bit of the bumper. So that's pretty cool. And then my mate Dave hooked us up. So we thought about taking an esky, but then you've got to get ice, and it's some of the places we're going are pretty remote, and I think the ice is a bit scarce. So plenty in winter too, it's probably going to be cold, so we might not even need it. But anyway, we just bought a little fridge. Here we go. We've got battery backup, a charger, and yeah, it's sweet, and a couple of other little goodies I'll show you now. So you can't go on the rally without making a bit of noise. So we've got something to make some noise. You ready? Get off the road. Get off the road. So yeah, we've got a loudspeaker and we've got some police sirens. This is the esky, not a very big esky, but that's really all we need. And yeah, it's running off the battery in the back. Sweet. Hey dog. So I'm a bit worried about what we have to fit in the car. I've got all this over here. Righto, I've got two spares. I can thank Paul from Easy Scrap. He hooked us up with a whole set of tyres and rims for the Shitbox. So you've got to take some spares. They also say you've got to take some jerry cans. I've got two, but I'm pretty sure I'm only going to take one because we just don't have the room. Got a toolkit, rattle gun, sockets for the wheel nuts. Yeah, and a whole heap of other stuff. We've still got to fit a swag, bedding, doonas. It's going to be cold. Sleeping bags, pillows, bags. We've got dress up clothes. I still need hand tools, screwdrivers, spanners, just a bit of stuff. So it's going to be a tight squeeze getting in the Pulsar. So yeah, a fair bit of stuff that we've got to try and fit in the car. It should all fit, but it's going to be tight. So yeah. Anyway, next time I do a video, you should be on the rally. Thanks for watching, and keep tuned for more videos.
Fully air conditioned when you can't sleep at night cause it's hot as hell inside and you think you're gonna go insane, or when you're having no fun cause your hands and toes are numb. You only need to remember one name. Keep the winter chills away, tell the sun